What's up, gang? Real quick ride and review for the Gotham Burger Social Club. I'm gonna pull up on my buddy. I know he's got a pop-up today over at Ray's. He's been crushing it. Smashed patties, I like the double. The onions steamed into the meat. What's up? How you doing? How you doing?
Is that stupid thing on?
Hey. Man, that thing satisfies. So good. Make sure you get out to one of his pop-ups and give it a try. And you know, while I'm on the subject and down here, he's opening up a brick and mortar, a real deal shop. No more pop-ups. Well, he'll still have pop-ups, but he'll be in an actual storefront now too, over here on Essex and Rivington. So I'll ride by and show you where it's going to be. What am I doing? So yeah, I mean, his pop-ups, they do generate big lines, so show up early. You know, if you want, get there early. Rain or shine, they usually do their pop-ups. If they have a scheduled day, they just stick with it unless it's really bad. So this is going to be it right here. I even came by here once before and showed you. That's the spot right there on the corner of Essex and Rivington. Great spot. I always like the double smash patty. Those nice toasted potato buns. As always, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. And tell your fucking grandma. You know what to do.